Hi everyone! My name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers Virtual Tour widget to your Elementor website. A virtual tour widget is a great way to present spaces in an interactive format, making it easier for visitors to explore your content visually and engage with it more naturally. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard, then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your Elementor website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now, search for Virtual in the widget library and open the widget. After that, choose a layout according to your preference, and the widget editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the preview, and on the left side, you'll see the settings panel. In the Content tab, you can add different scenes by clicking Add Scene. Here, you can upload images, change the title, add button text, button links, and even add hotspots. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can change the template. In the Style tab, you can adjust the brand colors and settings like autoplay, show controls, and grab slide. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy that code and go to your Elementor site editor. Now add an HTML block, paste the code inside it, and publish your site. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the